Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 29 of saving $10 a day in April. Cannot believe that we are towards the end. We have today and tomorrow. So to see how many we can finish, it's going to stick to my hand. All right. I do have a little bit of a new angle again. I'm trying to go more this way now because I went too much that way. So it's a process. I think I'm getting my regular videos. I have 2 more of these, so hopefully this view is okay for the last little bit. And I am not doing minis, daily minis, I should say. I will still be doing my Monday minis, and I will be bringing in the quarters into my videos. So I have a couple, what is going on with this? Okay, I have a couple, I think days and binders that I'm going to bring in and do like $10 here or however it works. So I'm excited to do that. So we are going to bring in $10 and we've finished a lot. So I don't know if we are going to finish as many today, if any. So we're going to start on number 2 with our little paper clip from Jeanette's Journey. So let's get started. 2 for 2. I hope you guys are doing well. 1 for number 3. Whoops. 1, 2, 3 for number 4. I'm taking it. 1 for number 5. 1 for number 6. I'm so excited to see how we do. And I still have to finish this video and then get to the next video. 3 for number 2. 1, 2, 3 for 3. 1 for number 4. 1, 2, 3 for number 5. 1 for number 6. We still have 3 left. 1 for 1. Oops, I dropped it. It wants 3. I have 2, so that's what we're doing. We'll start on number 3 tomorrow. Alright, so I'm going to scoot this out of the way. Alright, so number 1 is getting $1.25. And number 1 is this super cute one from Evergreen Budgets. Should I get my Crayola Clicks again? I feel like I should. Let's try to use these. So we have $1.25. So 25, 50, 75, $1, and then 25. Alright, so this one will save us $3. We still have $1.50 to finish that one. Alright, number 2. Okay, number 2 has $1. Oh my goodness. Another $1 and another $1. Holy cow, $3 for number 2. That couldn't happen on number 3. Okay, this one is Choose Happy from Becca Budget 777. This was a collab she was in with Bookish Mama Budgets, Elaine Realized, and Budget with Tiffany 26. Alright, so we can do 25, 50, 75, $1. So that's this one. And then 75 cents. And that's this one. Ooh, we saved the $7 one. I think that's the one I thought was in number 3. Okay, so did I do that wrong? No. Okay, so that's 2. So let me get a new one. Let's see, what is this one? Oh, we have this one from Bookish Mama Budgets. So we have another $1.25 that we can put in here. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, $1.25. And this will save us $4 when we are done. Sorry, $4 when we are done. Sorry. I'm definitely out of... Yeah, sorry about that if I haven't been putting anything in camera view. All right, number 3. Number 3 has $1.50. And this one is... Oh, this is not the one I thought. Okay, so that was the big one I didn't think we'd finish. All right, this one is the same Road to 1K with Becca Budgets, 777, Budget with Tiffany 26, Bookish Mama Budgets, and Elaine Realized. So we can do $1.50 in this one. I'm gonna get a darker color. So let's do, we'll do 25, 50, 75, $1. And then 25 and 50. This will save us $4. We are starting there tomorrow. All right, number 4. Number 4 also has $1.50. And number 4 is, oh, the super cute one from Candy over at Stuff and Budget. I'm getting my Crayola Clicks because that's the orange I'm using. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1. So we can do this whole row and then one of these. So I'll be right back. All right, we did it. So this one will save us $6 when we are done. It'd be cool if we could finish that one tomorrow. All right, number 5. Number 5 got $1.50. So let's get this one out. All right. Oh, we needed $1.75, but that's okay. Maybe tomorrow. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1, and then 25, 50. One more little paw print. So that will be hopefully tomorrow. All right, and then number 6 got $1.25. And number 6 is, oh, the farmer's market funds. So we needed 75 cents. Perfect. So I can do 25, 50, and 75. So we finished this one from Financial Dreams with Christine. So we needed 75 and we have $1.25. So we have 50 cents to put into another one. So I'm just gonna do that so I remember. So let's get a new one. All right, we have Christmas savings. I believe this, yeah, Isabel Gigi. She did start putting her name on it, so we can do 50 cents. So we can do 1, 2. 2 little smiley faces. Whoops. Yay, we finished 2. That's exciting. All right, so let's get our prop coins. And then put these in here. And then from our bank, we need 7 and 3. Ooh, so we need $10. That worked out well. Do I still have that 10 in here? I do. Beautiful. All right, so we'll go back here, shove that 10 in there, and then we can put 2 more in our completed challenges. Shove it in there. Perfect. Oh, that was great. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Oh no, I'll hold that. That's a good problem to have. I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much. Come back tomorrow because tomorrow we will find out how many I finish, how many challenges I completed in the month of April, how much I saved in the month of April. I'm going to do my left, right, center and see where the money's going. So lots of fun stuff tomorrow. So come back and see what I did. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.